Hello friends, good morning. How are you all of you? In last video we had seen illustration 1 and 2. Now we will start with exercise 3.2. See the figure given below and write the following. यहाँ पे आपको फिगर गिवन है. In this figure you can see the horizontal axis is x-axis and the horizontal axis and the vertical axis is called y-axis. There are many points you can see in this figure like B, L, M, D, G, C, E and H. You have some questions in this below the figure. Answer the following questions. First of all, we write coordinates of all these points. First point is D. The x coordinate of students, the x coordinate of D is 6. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the y coordinate of D is 1, 2. Therefore, the coordinate of D is equal to 6, 2. Similarly, we can write the coordinates of L. L is on the y-axis. Therefore, the x-coordinate of L is equal to 0 and the y-coordinate of L is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hope so students you can understand. The coordinates of B. The x-coordinate of B is equal to -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. B is on second quadrant. Therefore, in the second quadrant, B is in the second quadrant. Therefore, the x-coordinate of B is always negative. And the y-coordinate of B, B y में कितना जा रहा है? 1, 2. तो -5, 2. Next, the coordinate of M. You can see friends, M is on the x-axis, on the negative x-axis. The x-coordinate of M is equal to -1, -2 and -3. M is on negative x-axis, therefore the y-coordinate of M is equal to 0. You can see M y में कवर नहीं कर रहा है डिस्टेंस, वो x-axis पे ही, तो उसका y-coordinate हमेशा 0 रहेगा. The next point is H. The H is in the third quadrant, therefore the both coordinates x and y coordinates are negative. Here x coordinate is equal to -5 and y coordinate -1, -2, -3. Therefore the points of H -5, -3. Similarly, coordinates of E. E x में कितना जा रहा है? -1, -2, -3. और y में कितना आ रहा है? -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. The coordinate of E is equal to -3, -5. The coordinate of G. X coordinate of G is equal to 2 and y coordinate of G is equal to -4. G is located in the fourth quadrant. Therefore, y coordinate is negative. The point of C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y coordinate of C कितना हो जाएगा? -5. Students, now we will write the answer of these following questions. First question is, state the coordinates of B. Where is B? Here, coordinates of B, -5, 2. -5, 2. Next, state the coordinates of C. Where is C? Here, the coordinates of C is equal to 5, -5. Therefore, 5, -5. Name the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. Which point is this located -3, -5? In this figure you can see here is -3 -5. So which point? There is E point. Next, name the point identified by the coordinates 2 -4. 2 -4. Find out, here is 2 -4. Therefore the point is G. State the abscissa of the point D. Abscissa means the x coordinate of point D. Where is point D? Here is the x coordinate of D is equal to 6. Therefore you can write only 6. Here you will write only 6. State the ordinate of the point H. Remember students, ordinate means the y coordinate of point H. Repeat this sentence. I will repeat this sentence. Ordinate of H means the y coordinate of H. Where is H? Here is H. The y coordinate of H is equal to -3. Next question is state the coordinates of the point L. Coordinates. The point L coordinate है 0 plus 5. 0, 5. State the coordinate of the point M. Point M. Point M is located on negative x-axis and its coordinate is equal to -3, 0. -3, 0. Clear students? Let us start with illustration 3rd. Example number 3rd. Locate the points 5, 0 and so on in the Cartesian plane. This is our Cartesian plane. In this Cartesian plane there are two axes. Both axes are intersected at right angle 90 degree. The intersection point is called origin. The horizontal axis is called x-axis. The vertical axis is called y-axis. Here is negative x-axis or here is negative y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is negative x-axis. Therefore, we can write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. आपको जहां तक लिखना है वहां तक लिख सकते हो. आपको कितने नंबर चाहिए वो देखना है आपको. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay. First point is 5, 0. Where is 5, 0? आपको x कोऑर्डिनेट 5 लेना है और y कोऑर्डिनेट 0. इट मीन्स द पॉइंट इज लोकेटेड ऑन x एक्सिस. y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है पॉइंट का, तो ये पॉइंट y एक्सिस के ऊपर आएगा. तो x में 5 जाना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये रहा फ्रेंड्स आपका पॉइंट 5, 0 और वहां पे लिख देना है, जो पॉइंट है वो लिख देना है. नेक्स्ट 0, 5. Here x coordinate of point is 0, therefore the point is on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. और यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है आपको? 0, 5. It's very simple. The next point is 2, 5. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 5. X coordinate 2, 1, 2 and y coordinate is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our point is here. 2, 5. The next point is 5, 2. X coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 2. X coordinate 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y coordinate is 2. Here is y coordinate. We can take the value of y coordinate is 2. 5, 2. Next is -3, 5. X coordinate -3, -1, -2, -3. In Y coordinate is +5. Therefore, we can locate this point here, -3, 5. Next point is -3, -5. There are both coordinates of this point is negative, therefore it is located on third quadrant. Located in third quadrant. -3, -5, -1, -2, -3 and -5 लेना है आपको. -3 and -5. It's very simple, friends. You can easily do it. 5, -3. X coordinate is 5 and Y coordinate is -3. X, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and Y coordinate is -3. Therefore point is located in, very good, आप सही बोल रही हो भाई, fourth quadrant. Located in fourth quadrant. Next point is 6, 1. X coordinate is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Y coordinate is 1. ये रहा आपका 1. ये हो जाएगा आपका 6, 1. क्लियर? होप सो स्टूडेंट्स आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. For more videos, like and subscribe my video. Bye and take care till the next video.